Clarity, yes, there's a notch. It's not a huge notch, but you got yourself a notch. A little headset reminiscent of, oh, I don't know, no headset I've ever seen before. Camera setup and some of the craziest low light functionality that I've ever experienced, even though it was temporary when I was at the event. Turn off. Unfortunate. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the S9 Plus that I've been using. You're skeptical, you're like, Lou's not gonna do it. Well, look, here, I'm doing it, because this is my real job. Give you the real deal. Are so good, I'm seeing 4 bars on 4G. Catch a glance at the display. One thing I like about this, it's a super manageable size. They didn't go gigantic with it. It's a little bit short. Box this thing. I mean, this video is more about me setting up the process of switching over to it and the complications that may arise or things that might bother me about it. But I do want to give a quick point to aim to create some blur. We've seen this mode in the past. Here we can see it caught this edge really well. See this background here that got blurred out?
This school year, get a new iPhone from T-Mobile and keep your whole family connected. Or keep tabs on them.
Anyways, today we're going to go ahead and talk about some of the biggest things that's happening on eBay and Craigslist. Basically, scams.
You have to be careful because people's cell phones that are either stolen or phones that are claimed lost. No insurance policies, and then the phones get locked down.
I probably didn't even know. You're going to probably get hacked, just like it happened to me one time. Basically, people buy their phones, or sometimes they'll do one of those offers. Buy one, get one free. So you